care.
I'm not talking about.
Well, my mom has my Facebook.
Yeah, so shh.
What? Yeah. Fireworks!
Dude, Disney for 4th of July. They have the best fireworks.
It's so pretty.
It is pretty.
It's so pretty. John, it's so pretty. Dad? Dad? No, let's do it. Dad?
Where's the musical accompaniment?
Where's the Stars and Stripes forever?
They don't sing on this one. It's just the fireworks. That's it. I told you.
Lame.
I told you it's lame. Franklin, they're cheap. You're lucky that Gorilla Farms is sponsoring
I
this.
see, but okay. Amy! Hi! Woo, pretty house! Where'd the fireworks go? Oh!
They're having.
You really just asked that question? Shut up! Woo, he's so pretty! He's so pretty! I'm having too much fun right now.
I can
Oh, that's
tell.
definitely what I did with it. I put it away.
He can survive without us.
Hi, Mia. You did get lost.
Mia didn't get lost yet!
She almost did. I had to yell to her.
I'm recording. Did you find your sister? Mia, don't get in my way, man!
That's it.
She coming over?
Oh! Firework!
Ooh, Elvis one. Hey! No, I mean the sign after.
Yay! I need to look right here. Sorry, guys.
What happened?
I need to clean my limbs. My arm hurts. You're not current progress.
Yeah. Tax in the cat. The cat. You're going too fast!
You need to show it.
It's the law.
Orange! Purple!
It gets me going when you do that. I'm not asking. I'm not asking. When you pick my side.
I'm not gonna ask. Hey, John!
You want some check?
It's so pretty.
That almost thanks.
It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. You know how feminine that is, right? Like the fireworks. It's so pretty. Where'd it go?
It's ending. That's
Where'd
it.
it go?
Done.
It's over. That was the finale.
Yay! Oh, right.
All right, they still have the.
Fuck that. Fuck that. Orange. Purple.
No, it was the fireworks was orange.
I still really want it. Orange, John. But I don't know if you can turn them off or not.
You can turn them off, yeah.
Did you
There's a button on it that turns
I
off.
wonder if you can replace the batteries.
Probably. Should be able to.
What was? I don't know if they saw it. But I don't have very much. Like floating. I know. It's pretty, isn't it? You know, those are really easy to make. I actually said we're
What?
Fireworks.
The lanterns.
Oh, the lantern that
Well,
was
the fireworks are pretty easy to make.
Push it together, it blows up.
Just get some gunpowder and some other pretty stuff.
It's coming out blue on my camera. Okay, I thought so. I was gonna say this is all purple.
Sparkly.
Sparkling!
Yes, no, I call them sizzlers.
Orangey red!
Oh, shit.
I want one! I'm getting one. Doing it! Can I get one? I guess I'm not getting one.
You don't need it.
I want one!
I know.
You can get me, you get one.
I don't want to get up. It's not that much. I know you. What's that matter to me?
Do we know?
I don't know. Okay.
How's it going? How do you know everything?
Dude, do you guys know where Scott went? No, don't care.
Yeah, I don't care.
Yeah, fuck you all.
Yeah, fuck you.
Ah, screw.
Fuck you all.
There's your purple.
Purple and green.
Oh
shit. Hey, it's red. We could go say hi to Steve and be like, okay, we're taking advantage of you. Hey, Mia.
We're not going the same direction. I'm the only one going that way.
Oh, you just know it.
Do you want me to drop her off?
What?
Yeah, but then I'd have to.
Because I'm going that way anyway.
Sure, might as well. I'll just go
hang out
home.
after.
It's white! You have to work tomorrow?
Yeah,
it's done!
That's the best color of them all.
Sarah, do you want to hang out till later?
Supremacist over here.
Do you have a curfew? Do you have to work?
I just, after wherever we're going, I'll probably just like text or call my mom just to let her know where I am. Worst categories.
I don't know if I can. I think I can. We'd have to bring the minivan back, though, wouldn't we? What? Would we have to bring the minivan back?
Yeah, I don't know.
No, because I have to. I can't be in the morning because I have a family. Only because I have a wedding.
Wedding to go to?
Tomorrow, which I'm not exactly looking forward to, but Carol's going, so I'm excited. So, it's Red, White, and Blue. I called that one. America! Finale.
Not yet.
America!
No, we're white.
They'll have a big finale. Trust me. They'll shoot off like 10,000 of them at once. That's the finale.
Sonic Dude, of course. Look what I just found. Nobody does highlighter. Too, by the way. Can I light it? We're so great.
No, you can play with it.
Sierra. 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 Hi, Sarah. Hi. Hi.
I wish I had a camera. What? I wish I had a camera. I'm pumped. I can send this to you.
Hi, friend.
Really?
Hi.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello. I'm saying hello. I know. It's kind of busy recording.
I still really want one. I like how, like, I don't know if I want one that bad. Because it's really not worth it.
Are you still debating on getting one of those? Dude, it's gonna like blow out. I'm still debating. Fuck that, $10. For what?
I'll tell you the title. That's gonna pay me gas. That's gonna get my gas.
Yeah.
Pikachu, I choose you.
Just get two lightsabers. Remember, you hit me with like,
You're sitting on the floor.
remember the ball? With the ball or your fist that hit me in the face?
No, it's the ball. You leaned right into the ball. Around your blankie. Blankie? 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 Dad? Tree base? Dad? Dad?
Oh, Michael, that's the pilot. Can I use cheapest?
Oh my god! Can I use hemorrhoids? Oh god!
Don't make me laugh.
Too late! Hey Mia! I'm so petite. I'm so petite. I am petite and I have Remember Feathers? Mike is a plague. Feathers? Do you remember the cow? What cow?
What cow? Oh, that cow. What cow? Oh, that cow.
That cow. Wee! Feathers? Circles? Brown cow.
Feathers?
Feathers?
Can I have feathers? I was doing that on my way to work the other day. I went, feathers? Can I have feathers? They were talking about, they were doing a
Did you
commercial.
understand it though?
No. But the funny thing was, it was just that it was a commercial on that and they talked about feathers. So I was like, feathers? Can I have feathers?
The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. It has all the letters of the alphabet in it.
Hey, John.
That's why it's special. I don't.
I'm dead. I can't see that.
I don't understand. I'm so confused. You are right. You are right.
Stay confused. It's safer that way.
Can I be confused?
I'm glad we found you. Look what I just done.
Did you just burn yourself with a lighter?
Peppermints.
Peppermints! I need them right now!
They don't smell like smoke. What?
Sure.
Can I have some perfume? Can I have some? Yes.
I'm just concerned about little kids screaming.
Here we go. Here's the finale.
Pretty. It's a rainbow. What's a rainbow?
I had an eye gas.
Did you get some? Yeah. Do you want it?
Hey, look, there goes another lantern.
Where?
Right there, at the tree.
Ooh. Lantern. Who's setting them off?
I don't know.
Cops! It's a UFO. It's a cop. Hello, police man. Look at the lantern. Is it a lantern? Those Felicios.
It's going to go right into the fireworks.
Shiny lantern. Can you see it?
Here.
I wanted to get the
Look at it.
Go, lantern, go! How do you do
Watch
that?
it.
Go, lantern, go! Go, lantern, go!
There we go. Oh, got shot down. There it goes.
It's down. Lantern down.
No, it's still there.
Oh my god, it's still going.
Oh my god, how is it?
Go, lantern, go! You can make it! How does it fly? I think it beats the odds.
Wind. How's it fly?
Lantern!
In the
How
phone.
does it fly? It will continue on its mission.
Hey, does it find feathers?
It looks like a sad thing.
Yeah, remember when we turned off the lamps at Annie's Sullivan? Why is like, it too hot?
Could I have his lamps?
Hey, can I have his lamps? Will! Will! Will, you're on video. Hi, Will. Squeak. Will, swoop.
Who's Will?
Swoop. Swoop.
Squirrel?
Squeal.
It's over there now.
Go back there, go!
Run away!
So if I feel like that, you
There's another one.
be happy. Run where?
No, I meant another one of those things.
Fireworks? Okay.
No, never mind.
Card?
Card, yeah.
Sweater, it's all orange. Hard face! Hey, we have wall face. No, Sarah! Hi! Hi!
Just gonna walk away.
I've heard there was a video I have a video with you and your arm going like this, Sarah.
Like this?
We love you, Squirrel!
No, she was going
Just kidding.
in the back of the video. It was when I was taping. We went to the Middle East downstairs for the first time. I took a video of the place. And I was doing a roundabout, and she got her arm in
What?
the last second. I had a video of you trying to fix your camera. That was the camera.
I know some music.
That was the day your camera died.
Hey, Perry!
I want my electric light parade.
Yellow! Purple!
Orange! I want...
I'm gonna.
This is the time you say chartreuse. John wants peppermints.
I do!
Basement?
I got
I started recording again.
special peppermints or just peppermints?
peppermints.
Just peppermints. I eat one and then I get addicted to this.
Ow.
I'm gonna break it. Particular brand.
Break it!
No.
Just
Well,
peppermints.
Berkeley and Jensen.
Trying to get your gum open.
I'm having...
I can tell. Oh, here we go.
We're gonna be the ones that get arrested by the cops. Like, we are gonna be that group.
I won't.
I care. No, what was the one we had? Soviet Russia, syrup in your house.
And Soviet Russia.
That's it.
We'll bounce on you.
There's one with a toilet cleaner on you or something. Remember that, Mia?
Remember? I'm Sarah Pitt and I can see Russia from my house.
No. It's Soviet Russia. Car drive you?
Car drive you?
I drive you? I don't know.
Let's do it.
M-I-C-K. Oh, Mia. M-I-C-K-E-Y-L-O. Your hashtag's back and it's better than this year. This year, the hashtag's here. We are gonna be
truck
those.
is here.
The hashtag.
The depressed truck is here.
John, you drive the ADHD truck.
Depressed truck is here. Yay! Oh wait, I mean.
Oh my God, Leah! Leah, if you get this on camera, I'll be so proud of you.
No!
What? She's snorting again.
It's on camera.
It's okay. I've already gotten it.
What are you so proud of?
Me is snorting. Mr. Cop, can I borrow your handcuffs?
Hey, Mia.
Hey, Mr.
Oh my God, there's so much tree piss.
That has tree piss?
Hey, Mr. Cop, can I have tree piss?
Can I what?
Hey, Mr. Cop, can I have tree piss?
Approve this?
Mia, you'll have tree piss. Hey, Mia, stop rocking back and forth. My hemorrhoids. Does the cop have hemorrhoids? What?
Safe fire. This is not.
What? Fire! 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 It's fire!
That's your lighter, right? It's my tie lighter.
Fire?
I don't know where mine is.
I've seen so many like things that go, you know, the never mind. The mustaches. I see so many mustaches that are like mustache, Sarah.
I pulled my fire out of my pants.
Burning my
He has hemorrhoids!
No, don't stop.
Yellow!
That was green.
fireworks are like.
Nothing compared. Kentucky fireworks are awesome. You have to put thunder. I was there when they had thunder going on. It was fucking awesome.
I was so jealous of you.
You can get a unicorn on a stick.
Hey.
What? Ben Gay. You can get a unicorn on a stick. Unicorn on the stick.
Leah. Unicorn on a stick. Oh, Jesus.
What was that?
Remember we couldn't breathe for like, we get out of here now.
Mia. Oh my God, my
will be known.
I can't breathe.
It doesn't even matter. Like that picture?
Deep breath. Show me a deep
Graphics are
breath.
so amazing.
Battery low. Fireworks again. That was loud.
Why would you bring a child here?
I've been brought by the...
It's so...
I forgot my 3D glasses. Disappointing.
It's pressing. None of this. It's all in 2D.
My
It's
necklace
a
is
lie.
like hurting me because of the sweat.
3, 6, 9. There's 9. You can count.
Not really, actually.
That's right, we have calculators.
Yeah, I realized I was doing the wrong calculations when I was doing some of the discounts at work. Oops!
I'm trying to make Eric
I was supposed to do multiplication and subtraction. I wasn't doing the subtraction portion. Yeah, I figured it out at least eventually.
I want to get the camera to it.
Nice.
The people are selling fireworks are getting blown up.
Now we're on our...
There's so many fireworks, Amy!
That's
I know.
blowjobs in the air.
Amy, there's so many fireworks!
You can't really see, you can hear you, but it's too dark. I turned the flashlight on, but I don't know, remember how to.
What? That was loud.
How do we know you turn the flashlight?
Boom!
They go boom in the sky and it's colorful!
I didn't want to.
You guys are crazy. Calm it down and
Anna, you don't
Come down over there.
That's not me at all. Mine's a lot sexier than that. She tries mimicking me. She sounds like a man.
Thanks! She looks like one too, but hey! What? Hey, the fireworks! He follows the sky!
They go boom.
More fireworks.
They go boom! They go sky! Are these a lot longer than they normally are?
Yeah. No.
Yeah, they actually are.
Yeah.
There's the flashlight.
It's 20 minutes, you don't take...
It's only 10.
Now I can see you. I realized I had to turn the flashlight on. There you go. Turn it up.
Look, boom! I told you, you need to come down here. That's why I'm like...
They actually have, I don't think they have more this year.
I had to try and bug this big man. I mean, I was on the twister. I was like, what the fuck?
You want to twist
Oh, God.
it?
I don't think they have more fireworks this year. I think it's spacing them out more, so it seems like they have more.
They're not doing bad.
No, they're not doing too badly, but...
John's like, oh, John's face is out.
It's really humid out here. No, it's not.
It's actually really nice.
Yeah, it is.
Go inside. Go get some air conditioning. Too many fireworks. Big boom. You know what? 9 days we didn't have air conditioning. No, the smoke's not going to go away for a couple days.
Somebody
I know.
needs to turn the air conditioning down.
Who turned off the sun?
Who turned the lights out? I took shit to my face.
I'm scared I couldn't reply. I mean, respond. I really want to know who turned the dark on.
You stole the sun. I feel. Satan turned the fire.
Oh, Satan!
Oh, Satan.
Surprise.
Is that flies?
Surprise inside.
Like Captain Crunch? Cracker Jacks. That surprise is never that surprising.
Fucking sticker.
I know.
Like Big Whoop.
It's not even a fucking sticker.
Tattoo it doesn't even work.
It's not even a tattoo. It's like a
Fact.
yeah, like shoot. No,
We were made back in 1940.
During the day, like during the Great Depression, we eat the cardboard box. That was earlier.
Instead of popcorn.
Francie.
I was saying we eat the box.
I want a unicorn on a stick. I want a pillow pet. How much is the unicorn on a stick?
I want a pillow pet.
It's a pet. It's a pet.
It's a
Everything's
pet.
Can I have SpongeBob? Can I have SpongeBob? I want lightsaber.
Is there anything that's Francie?
Yeah, no fuck. No. Yay, finale.
Whatever.
Wow.
Those are the ones that are on the ground.
You should be a little louder now.
Look at
That's so delayed.
You have a right to be here too. Sing it to them.
You don't say shut up. It's weird. It's a public. Just don't. Already started. Already started sitting more people. I've already started. It's really pissing me off with other people and it didn't start very well. It didn't end very well. And I'm really pissed off right now because it doesn't matter. Yay! On your roll.
Yay!
That it?
Happiness.
Like we're all supposed to do it.
That's so pretty!
It's fireworks, not a movie.
Just silence your voices.
No, you can't laugh and talk.
But now,
Whatever.
They don't.
done yet? I feel like they're not doing something. It's
No,
just
they did. They did a couple years ago.
There they all go. Where are the others? That's the end. Oh, no.
Small football field.
I know. It's always fun after a street.
I know, I just find it funny. Sounds like gunshots going on.
I know, doesn't it?
Gunshots are loud, but that's your shit.
That's real company.
What? Cut your ears. God damn it, Leah, now I'm stuck in my head. I hate you. You suck.